Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So this just will be again fast update because the major things of the current steps we already have discussed, and not once, a few times already, and now we're just watching how the process of the bullish reversal stands on the euro currency, what is reaction market will show on the current support. But we actually hope to get some upward bounce out from here, although our suggestion stands that within some time market will continue downward action, because here we see definite acceleration. It means that the chances to go to the XOP or the same ABCD pattern stands significant, but currently market stands at very strong support area, which is weekly confidence support agreement oversold, so we intend to see some pullback, and we hope that at least it will be 30%. Somewhere back to the 120 area, maybe it's minimum reaction, but maybe even stronger, we will see. So currently you can see the first bounce up that has happened recently. On the dollar index it looks a bit more attractive, so you can see here is nicely reaction, great bearish engulfing candle has been formed, pattern has been formed, and this is almost a feature of the reversal. Market just was not able to close below the lows of the previous session, but take a look at creating a new top, collapsed, mostly engulfing the previous session. So this is a good sign for a possible downward continuation. And since this is engulfing, very often market takes some retracement back first, and then downside continuation to the minimum target. So it will be some kind of the ABCD pattern on the intraday charts, probably something of that kind. So here you can see this retracement already stands back in the body of the pattern. On the follow time frame chart, we do not see something special yet. We keep watching for bullish patterns. Maybe it will be double repo by the chart Apple, because we haven't got the trend body. Market wasn't able to reach the 30% level of the thrust, so that's why currently no brand body will be formed. But potentially we could get the double repo buy. To get the clear pattern, market has to show deeper retracement, deeper action. So here we should see attempt of the bears to push price through the lows, and then their defeat. Bulls should step in and defeat the bears and reverse the upward action. That's the nature of the double repo pattern. Currently, this pullback, despite that we have closed below the 3x3, it's not enough to treat it as a double repo, because by its nature, this is not the attempt to go through. This is just a retracement of this upward action. It means that alternatively we have another pattern actually that's already stands in place in our hourly chart, and this is currently achievable to buy. So with this first upward action, market has shown the ABCD retracement right back down, this agreement around 1875. So this OP target right at the favorite for the euro, 50% support. So potentially that's also could become the pattern where market could start upward action, or at least it could show some kind of the ABCD initially, right to the resistance, maybe to this 1940 area, and then we'll see what next step will be. Because if you're considering taking the long position here, this is the first point where you could think about taking at least some part of the position. If you in general intends to trade this support area on the weekly chart that we have and intends to buy euro around it, this is the point we stand that you could think about taking some part, maybe 30% of your position, if you'd like to wait it a bit more and see what will happen with the double repo. If later we will get the attempt to go lower and forming double repo buy, then you could add more. This market will be formed if you are not sure that market will start upward action right from here. But in general, this space around it, since we have actually set up on a weekly chart, this is tight range where you in general could think about taking the position, because we're trading not the hourly time frame setup, we're trading now on a daily weekly setup, and just 40-50 pips difference for the weekly chart, that means nothing, and it would be better to consider different stops that could be formed around the bottom, where you could make decision with the entering on a few times. So currently we have the first time when you could think about taking the position. Later we could get something else, I do not know. But here what we have currently. Think, decide, the choice is up to you.